Hello, friends. Are you weighed down by the extra costs of private mortgage insurance or PMI on your home mortgage? You're not alone. Many homeowners struggle with this. But guess what? I'm here to help you understand how to get rid of PMI, step by step, in the easiest way possible. Let's dive in. Get rid of it. What is PMI? First, let's understand what PMI is. PMI stands for Private Mortgage Insurance, a type of insurance that lenders require from homebuyers who obtain loans with less than 20% down payment. It protects the lender if you default on your loan. According to the Mortgage Bankers Association, this is a common practice in the industry, especially for first-time homebuyers. Now here are the steps to help you get rid of it. Step 1. Check your loan balance. You'll need to check if your loan balance has dropped below 80% of your home's original value. This is typically the point at which you can request PMI removal. If you've been paying your mortgage diligently, you might be closer than you think. The Consumer Financial Protection Bureau has some great resources to understand your mortgage statement. Step 2. Review your mortgage contract. Your mortgage contract will detail the specific requirements for PMI removal. Every contract might have unique conditions, so don't skip this step. Step 3. Contact your lender. Now, it's time to contact your lender. Inform them that you believe you met the requirements to have PMI removed and ask what steps they require. Step 4. Get an appraisal if needed. Some lenders may require a new appraisal to confirm your home's value. If this is the case, make sure you use a professional, certified appraiser. The Appraisal Institute is a well-known resource for finding qualified appraisers. Step 5. Follow lender's instructions. Follow your lender's specific instructions for PMI removal. This could include submitting a written request or other documents they may need. Step 6. Confirm PMI removal. Finally, once PMI is removed, make sure to confirm it on your next mortgage statement. Congratulations! You've successfully learned how to get rid of PMI. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, share, and leave a comment below. Remember, getting rid of PMI is a common and solvable problem. You've got this.